Flying an RC helicopter should be exciting, not frustrating with poor stability, weak motors, or short flight time. That's why choosing the right model matters. From beginner-friendly gyroscope systems to brushless power and optical flow positioning, today's RC helicopters are smarter and easier to control than ever. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best RC helicopters you can buy right now, perfect for kids, hobbyists, or serious flyers. We researched features and user feedback to build this list. Check the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Number 5. C032 UH1 Brushless RTF RC Helicopter. The C032 UH1 is a scale-inspired RC helicopter featuring a powerful brushless motor for smoother and more efficient performance. With a 6-axis gyroscope and optical flow positioning, it delivers stable hovering and easier control for beginners. The one-click 3D flip adds fun stunt capability, while the ready-to-fly, or RTF, setup means no complicated assembly. Designed to resemble the classic UH-1 style helicopter, this model combines realistic looks with modern flight stability, making it a great entry-level hobby choice. Number 4. WLtoys K170 RC Helicopter. The WLtoys K170 is a 4-channel RC helicopter equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope for stable and responsive flight. It operates on a 2.4 GHz remote system for reliable signal control and includes altitude hold plus optical flow positioning for smoother hovering. Its compact yet durable design makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor flying. Easy controls make it beginner-friendly, while solid build quality keeps hobbyists satisfied. A great balance between performance, affordability, and fun for younger pilots. Number 3. WLtoys K127 RC Helicopter. The WLtoys K127 is a mini single-blade RC helicopter built for agile and realistic flight performance. Featuring a 6-axis gyroscope and 2.4 GHz 4-channel control, it offers stable handling and responsive movement. Its lightweight design improves efficiency while maintaining solid power output. The scale body styling adds visual appeal, and its beginner-friendly controls make it suitable as a gift or starter model. Compact yet capable, this helicopter delivers an impressive flying experience in a small package. Number 2. RC Era C184 MD500 Scale Helicopter. The RC Era C184 stands out with its realistic scale design and flybarless structure for smoother, more precise flight. It features optical flow positioning and gyro stabilization, helping maintain steady hovering and controlled movement. The 4-channel control system ensures responsive handling, while the durable body adds extra protection during flights. Finished in a stylish sand yellow livery, this model blends appearance and performance. It's a strong option for users wanting scale realism with modern stability features. Number 1. JIKEFUN LM19 Max RC UAV Osprey. The JIKEFUN LM19 Max takes RC flying to the next level with its unique Osprey-style UAV design and built-in 4K HD camera. Powered by brushless motors, it delivers smooth performance and strong lift. Advanced stabilization makes flight control easier, while the remote system allows dynamic aerial maneuvers. Ideal for adults and hobbyists, this model combines helicopter-style design with drone-like versatility. If you want aerial photography plus exciting flight capability, this is the most feature-packed option on the list. Whether you want beginner stability, realistic scale design, or aerial camera features, these RC helicopters offer something for everyone. From brushless power to optical flow positioning, each model delivers fun and reliable performance. Which one would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.